I built a small card game in Python using Flask and set it up on a Raspberry Pi. As it's running as a web app, I used a free DNS service so I could share it with others. It turns out that a Flask app is open to all sorts of tricks. A friend showed me how he could alter the high score table really easily with just a few lines of code. I wondered, if this sort of app can be vulnerable, what if we made an app that was deliberately vulnerable and had an intriguing but completely fake login screen? Would anyone even notice? I set it up and unbelievably within hours the app was being hit from Malaysia and the US and China and Italy and Russia and China and Germany and the US and China and London and China and China. I created a dashboard to run in the background so we could see who was hitting the app. It logs the page they land on, their IP address, their location, and whether they tried to log in to the app. I set it up so that if you click on any of the IP addresses, it uses Nmap to find out more about where the hit was coming from. Querying the Italian IP gave really interesting results. It shows a download page for a media server plugin. Downloading the plugin in a safe environment reveals that it's made for a range of DVR devices made by Nadatel in Korea. These devices have notoriously weak security, with the default password often left unchanged. This makes them an ideal target for being compromised and used as part of a botnet or for running scans for open ports, which is exactly what we're seeing here. Checking the IP address in the Abuse IPDB database shows that this IP address, which is actually registered to a residential address in Italy, has been reported for this kind of abuse 135 times, with a confidence score of 100% that this device has been compromised. I shut the app down after 24 hours. It was hit dozens of times in just that short period. I think this small experiment clearly demonstrates that firewalls are there for a reason. And seriously, don't put an unsecured app on the web. There are malicious actors out there, and if there are vulnerabilities, they will find them. Thanks for watching.